Welcome to this tutorial on auto-tagging in the Prep tool. Auto-tagging is a feature that streamlines the remediation process by using AI-enabled automated tagging for PDF documents, making it faster and more efficient. To auto-tag a file, first, upload your file to the Prep tool. Next, select the auto-tagging option and click the Upload File button. The Prep tool will process your file and automatically apply tags to its content. Once completed, open the file in the Prep tag editor by clicking on it in the PDF document section to review the tags and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, save your changes and export the file. That's it. By using the auto-tagging feature in the Prep tool, you can complete the remediation process in a jiffy. Thank you.